So once your CO2, Mother Nature CO2 bucket is depleted, generally about 6 months, if you have a CO2 detector, you can test it to see how much CO2 is coming out, but generally 6 months with proper use. So you can discard and throw the contents away. It's totally organic. So I've now emptied this Mother Nature CO2 bucket, and you can see there's an air stone in the bottom of there that fizzes away and helps generate the CO2 in the bucket. And then you simply, just for the 5 litre, you simply buy the 5 litre refill pack. Very simple, just repeat the process. So if I open one up, just literally pour it in there. And then once again, you refill with hot water, 1,250 millilitres of water in the 5 litre bucket, leave it for 24 hours, and then it's ready to activate again, and then it will last for another 6 months. For the 10 litre, you simply put this in the bucket again, and then add 2,500 or 2.5 litres of hot water, and then leave it for 24 hours, and then that's ready and can be used for another 6 months. And then simply put the lid on and connect it to an air pump at the bottom, and it's ready to go.